What's going on YouTube? Keith Moore Jr. here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you all a full body home workout with only dumbbells. But before we get started, I need everyone to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate it in advance. So feel free to follow along with this workout. You can perform this workout 3 to 5 times per week. I have it to where you can spread the volume out, and it is a full body routine. As I mentioned early in the video, I do 5 full body workouts per week right now. I've been doing that for the past 3.5 weeks. I've been enjoying it and I've been seeing great results from it. So I will have the full workout in the description below, and I will also have the workout on the screen as I perform each exercise. So feel free to follow along and let me know what you think of the workout in the comment section below. Let's get this work. Alright, for the first exercise, we're going to do dumbbell lunges. This is a great exercise for your legs. So we're going to do 3 sets of 10 reps, and that means 10 reps for each leg. So combined, we'll be doing 20 reps. So I'm going to go ahead and select my weight. I'll be doing, let's go with 35 pounds. All right. So do a weight that is still going to challenge you, but something that's not too difficult to where you can't complete your 10 reps. So that's the first exercise, 3 sets total, 10 reps each leg, and we're going to take a 60-second rest in between each set. So I'll be back with the next exercise. Alright, so for the next exercise, we're going to do dumbbell stiff leg deadlifts. So this is going to be a great exercise to work that posterior chain, really work on those glutes. All right, so and for this we'll be doing 3 sets of 10 reps once again, with a 60-second rest in between each set. All right, so for the first set here, I'll start with 45, and then each set after that I'll bump up the weight. But I'll show you on my first set. All right, next up, I'm going to do a floor press. So this is a great movement that's going to work the chest. I still don't have a bench, unfortunately, so I can't do like dumbbell bench press or anything like that. So I have to stick with the floor press. So for this, we're going to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And since I don't have a bench, this is going to be our only chest exercise that we do. So let's aim for 12 reps if you can get that many. And for this, we'll still keep a 60-second rest period in between each set. All right. So I have 2 more sets of that, and then I'll be back with the next exercise. Alright, so for this next exercise, I'm going to be doing bent over dumbbell rows. This is a great movement for your back. So we're going to do 3 sets of 10 reps with a 60-second rest in between each set. Alright, let's get started. And if you have a bench, feel free to do your dumbbell rows on that bench. But I don't have that luxury right now. So let's make it happen regardless. No excuses. Alright, next up I'm going to be doing dumbbell bicep curls. And yes, you guessed it from the name, this is going to work your biceps. So I'll be doing 3 sets of 10 reps with a 60-second rest in between each set. Let's get it. Alright, so this next exercise is going to be the 1-arm tricep extension. This is going to work your triceps. We're going to do 3 sets of 12 reps with a 60-second rest in between each set. So you don't need extremely heavy weight for this. Want to be sure to keep that elbow locked. And then extend straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, last but certainly not least, we're going to hit some shoulders by doing lateral raises. If you all are familiar with my channel, you all know no matter what, I do lateral raises, whether it be with dumbbells or resistance bands. I love this exercise, so let's go ahead and knock these out. We're gonna do 3 sets of 12 reps, and we're gonna have a 60-second rest in between each set. So let me turn to the side some so I have some room. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so the full body home dumbbell workout for beginners is now complete. Stay tuned for future videos where I show you all an intermediate to advanced version of a full body workout with dumbbells only. I'll be posting that content soon, but I wanted to have a video that catered to the beginners that watch my channel. So feel free to give this routine a try 5 days per week if you can handle that much volume. But if not, you can start with 3 days per week. Let's say you do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday until you can work up to about 5 days per week. That way you're getting that frequency in. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.